Glossary of the book A Brief History of Time. Continue. You can skip it. If you are not interested in scientific definitions, then you can skip it and move forward. Light second, light year. The distance traveled by light in 1 second year. Magnetic field, the field responsible for magnetic forces now incorporated along with the electric field into the electromagnetic field. Mass, the quantity of matter in a body, its inertia or resistance to acceleration. Microwave, background radiation, the radiation from the glowing of the hot early universe, now so greatly redshifted that it appears not as light but as microwaves, radio waves with a wavelength of a few centimeters. Page 46 of this book. Naked singularity, a space-time singularity not surrounded by a black hole. Page 97. Neutrino, an extremely light, possibly massless elementary matter particle that is affected only by the weak force and gravity. Neutron, an uncharged particle very similar to the proton, which accounts for roughly half the particle in the nucleus of most atoms. Page 70. Neutron star, a cold star supported by the exclusion principle. Repulsion between neutrons. Pages 92-93. No boundary condition. The idea that the universe is finite but has no boundary in imaginary time. Page 151. Nuclear fusion. The process in which two nuclei collide and coalesce to form a single heavier nucleus. Nucleus, the central part of an atom consisting only of protons and neutrons held together by the strong force. Particle accelerator, a machine that, using electromagnets, can accelerate moving charged particles, giving them more energy. Phase, for a wave, the position in its cycle at a specified time, a measure of whether it is at a crest, a trough, or at some point between. Photon, a quantum of light. Planck's quantum principle, the idea that light or any other classical waves can be emitted or absorbed only in discrete quanta, whose energy is proportional to their frequency. Page 60. Positron, the positively charged antiparticle of electron. Primordial black holes, a black hole created in the very early universe. Page 108. Proportional, x is proportional to y, means that when y is multiplied by any number, then so is x. X is inversely proportional to y, means that when y is multiplied by any number, x is divided by that number. Stephen Hawking was born in Oxford in 1942, exactly 300 years after the death of Galileo. He studied physics at Oxford University. Thank you very much.